How to set up Lovable AI. Hey guys, today I am going to show you how you can set up Lovable AI. So let's dive in. Create your Lovable AI account. Begin by visiting the Lovable AI website. Click on Sign Up to register a new account. Once registered, log in to access your dashboard where you'll manage all your projects. Start a new project after logging in. Use the text input field to enter a detailed description or prompt of your project idea. Lovable AI will use this input to automatically generate the initial structure of your application, including design and functionality. Configure project settings. Click on the settings icon in your dashboard, then select Manage Knowledge. Here, you can add your project guidelines and documentation. Make sure to update this section regularly to keep your project aligned with any changes or new goals. Use editing tools to refine your app. Lovable AI offers user-friendly tools to improve your application. Undo and version history. Easily reverse changes or restore a previous version to test different ideas safely. Add visual elements. Make your app more engaging by adding images. Attach images to prompts. Include visuals when writing prompts to give more context and guide output generation. Insert images in the app. Upload and position images directly within your app's interface using the built-in editor. Connect with GitHub. For efficient code management, integrate your project with GitHub. This allows you to make edits in your favorite ide and sync them back to Lovable AI. Follow the visual setup guide provided in the dashboard to complete the integration. That's it, and thanks. I will catch you all in the next video.